Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. I am from Labs Binyameen campus. Today I deliver a lecture on page number 16, lecture number 7, exercise 1C. Question number 1. What is the difference between real and natural and whole numbers? Answer is that natural number, the numbers used for counting objects around us, is called natural or counting numbers. An example, the natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. It is represented by alphabetic value of n. And whole numbers, the numbers which start from 0, or the number consisting of a 0 and all natural numbers, are called whole numbers. For example, W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. It is represented by W. Commutative property. Commutative property are of two types: commutative property with respect to additions, commutative property with respect to the multiplication. Commutative property with respect to the addition, if we have two numbers a and b, you can write as a plus b is equal to b plus a. Example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and 3 plus 2 is equal to respectively 5. And commutative property with respect to the multiplication, if we have two numbers a and b, then a multiplied by b is equal to b multiplied by a. For example, 3 2s are 6 and then 2 3s are 6. Both answers are same and equal. 6 is equal to 6.